Hey friends, welcome to Gadget Partner. I bought the keyboard cover case for just 5000 rupees. Yes, back cover keyboard case for Tab S9 FE and S9 for just 5000 rupees. So this is the box and here is the keyboard case which is suitable for S9 FE and S9 for both. So this is the black color. It comes in two color, white and black. So black color looks more glossy and feels premium. Well, it actually premium as per 11,000 rupees, right? But I bought it for 5,000 rupees, so it's cheaper. Now this is the keyboard and there are 3 pins given to connect the keyboard with tablet. Keys and touchpad works very well. Now this is the back cover which is totally magnetic and rubberized with this stand which allow you adjustable viewing angle by attaching to the keyboard, and you can stand the tab like this with the help of this adjusting stand, and you can switch to Samsung decks with the one key given in keyboard, and you got the interface like laptop, right? And you can use multiple tabs at once, right, like a laptop or in computer. Now the keys works well. This is all about its short review. Now let me tell you how you can buy it for just 5000. So let's go. This is the space for pen, S Pen, right? So let's go to my phone screen. As earlier I told you to come to the Samsung Shop app. Now type here for search Tab S9 FE. As a result, this is the Tab S9 FE. Now check the offers. Here welcome voucher reduce the price of 500, right? Now in the offers, let me zoom it. So the first one, get Galaxy Tab S9 FE book cover keyboard at 4999 rupees, and another one is 4000 bank discount, so you can buy the keyboard cover under 5000. If you really like the video, then please subscribe the channel. I request you to support us by subscribing our channel and like the video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. For more content, subscribe.